waste my time. I don't think I'm mine now. You don't give me time. You just waste my time. I don't think I'm mine now.
Hi, so today I will be showing you all how to bleach my hair. These are the products that you will need: bleaching powder, cream developer, a plastic bowl, a application brush, some gloves, and some accessories to section off your hair. An optional item is the toning shampoo, the Shimmer Lights brand. I suggest following the instructions on the bleaching powder container exactly how you're supposed to follow it, or how they suggest that you follow it. I actually did not make my product thick enough, and I did struggle with that later on, so that would be my first suggestion. Now, I have bleached my hair before myself. I've never bleached my entire head myself before, so this was definitely a first. And I don't typically use the application brush. It is suggested that you do, but I feel like it does slow me down. But if you're not comfortable bleaching your hair, I would definitely say to follow the directions and use the application brush. And perhaps later on down the line, you will feel more comfortable using your hands. The goal is to not squeeze it into your hair, to make sure that when you are removing the bleach, you're able to effectively remove it. Another suggestion is potentially getting a bigger bowl if you are doing your entire head and you have a lot of hair like I do, because I ran out of product very quickly, and I had to mix more product about 3 times, I believe. But I would say that how I'm doing this application is starting in the middle of my hair, because I was also told that your roots actually change quicker. And I also did not want to start at the ends, because the front of my head already had bleached ends. Now it's covered up right now. You can't see that because it is black. I did apply black dye back in November, but I wanted to do my ends last because I didn't want to over process those. And obviously I wanted to do my roots next to last because I also did not want to over process that portion. So I started applying the bleach in the middle of my hair. Another little key moment is, I would suggest this video being for those who may be a little scary bleaching their hair, because again, like I said, this is my first time bleaching my entire head, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous, especially being that I had my ends that were already bleached, and I also felt like, I don't know, I just was nervous. A few different factors played into this, so that is why you don't see a bunch of bleach on my head. And I don't know, it was weird. It was very weird, but it's working. So yeah, if you are a little scaredy cat like I was being, then do it this way, I guess. So now I'm allowing the bleach to process a bit. I felt like my roots were changing so quickly, which of course this is what I was told would happen, and I was a little nervous to keep the bleach in my hair too long. So here I am taking it out, and let's see how I react to this reveal. So here's me noticing, realizing, trying to figure out what happened, child. Like, girl, what is happening? I'm really looking at my roots. I apologize you can't see that angle, but y'all, my ends are like a green color. It's so many colors going on in this head right now. I mean, I missed a bunch of it because if y'all didn't notice, some of that clip, or some of the clips earlier, I actually did not have my glasses on, so there was that. Again, me bleaching my entire head, I couldn't see the back. I just, yeah, I'm not happy. So this is like maybe an hour later or so, and I'm like, okay, I gotta figure it out. And I have decided that I'm going to apply red dye to the front half of my hair to try to add some type of look, to try to fix something, to make me look like something, okay? And so this is me fixing this veil, and if you've seen the thumbnail, then you will see that it actually was a success after this. Again, I'm not gonna lie, my hair is so many different shades of blonde, brown, black, and now I'm adding this red. But one thing about me is that I definitely am a very eccentric person, and this fits my personality. Like, the mess up ended up being a come up for me essentially, and it worked out for me. So if you're watching this and you are planning to do this to your hair or something similar, then I hope that it works out for you too. Sending good vibes. Again, follow the directions on the bottle. I did read the directions at the beginning of this clip, and I'm pretty sure I followed them, but this I have done plenty of times, so I always just kind of like refresh my memory on it. But I also kind of know what I'm doing when it comes to applying this dye to my hair. I'm using a little bit of peroxide to get some of the red dye off of my skin in different places. And now I'm going to let it sit for a bit and wash it out later.
16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you.
And these are my results. I am seriously in love with my hair. one big thing I say about the lock journey is it won't look like anyone else's. So embrace your journey. Love the uniqueness of your own hair. And this adds to my uniqueness. And I love it. Thanks for watching.